let's just get started, okay? Let's just dissect this market. Let's yes. What's up? So, all right, let's get into the chart together and see what we have for the week ahead. I'm gonna be making reference to like probably like a video or video that I'm gonna be making reference to like probably like a video that I had uploaded already on my YouTube channel. So you can go back, watch my YouTube and so you understand, all right, the journey and see where I'm coming from, the perspective that I'm coming from, right? So let me take this cup away and let's get serious. Let's get into it, okay? Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And it's gonna be another week in the forex market soon. So I'm about to analyze the market and see the opportunities that we have for the week ahead. This is the first time I'm recording at night, and it's so cool to see that I'm getting really pretty comfortable on camp. You know, that used to be my thing, and I'm really enjoying this to be honest. So, um, let's just get started, okay? Let's just and you guys, please subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help the channel grow. You know, I want to look back at myself a couple of years from now. I want to be like, man, I did this. I did this shit. You know, type shit. So let's. The camera is rolling. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like. Keep asking questions. Like, I love to ask questions. So please subscribe to my channel. Um, you know, my job is pretty at this point is to of just what I'm trying to achieve. I'm trying to so so guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for me to help the channel grow. I'm gonna be back. I wanna be able to look back at myself years from now and be like, man, I did this shit. Right? So please stay with me on my journey. If you like what I do on the channel, subscribe, like, comment, leave a comment. All right, these things are gonna help other people to see my content. And if they relate to it, you know, they can absorb this. Fuck with it that they're gonna trust me. You're gonna learn one or two things on my channel. You know, my evidence, my evidence. I'm really enjoying the journey, guys. Like, what? Okay, now I gotta get myself. So please, guys, stay with me on this channel. Let's light shit up. All right, lead gang shit. Let's go, guys. All right. So today we want to be looking at the setup for the week ahead. All right. I'm gonna be making a couple of references to with I'm gonna making a couple of references as I'm recording this video because I probably have analyzed some of these uh pairs before, right? So want to see how the market has developed over time, and we also
want to see where we are currently compared to the analysis that we made a couple of weeks, days, whatever. So I remember analyzing this pair, AUDNZD. I think that was 2 weeks ago, right? And my analysis for this pair was that I could see a bearish divergence, and I could see that the market was gonna drop from here. I was speculating it was gonna drop to this place. But right now, the only problem was that I was analyzing the market was gonna drop this point, right? But the market didn't do that because the market was still developing and it wanted to fulfill certain structures, right? So, uh, the market came down here. I was expecting it to go down from it, but it didn't. Instead, it went back to a resistance and then came back down, right? So, I may have took a trade somewhere around here to somewhere here. It was roughly around, it was barely 1:2, honestly, but I was confident in my analysis. That's all that matters, right? And I left the trade when it was going back up because, like I said, my account was roughly less than $30. Actually, my account was really down. It was really down. It was pretty bad, man. And I had made a video and it said um the mistakes that traders make. Something around that. Something around that title. And I uploaded the video today. So market wanted to fulfill certain certain criteria before all the way from here. So when the market came back here, I saw another opportunity to get into the market. So I may have entered another trade somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. And I still am expecting the market for this week to drop all the way from here to this place. So this is my analysis for the week ahead. I don't know if the price could still achieve uh something like this. Okay, yeah, honestly, because I'm already the trade currently kind of somewhere here. It was consolidating somewhere around here. Right, you can see that bubble. So the market could do something like this and come here before it bursts from here, because we do actually have this level of supply here. So that may be a good level for it to drop, or just it might as well just drop from this current place down to this place. So there are two possibilities that I've just analyzed. It's either the market drops from here down here. That's like the easiest thing that the market could do. Or The market could come back, could come here because there's a tiny internal structure of support here, and you can bounce again, come to the level of supply, and then move down. I cannot say for sure what the market is gonna do, to be quite honest. Let me take off this cap. I can't say for sure what the market is gonna do, actually. I'm currently on this trade. So my analysis for this trade is that if you're not already on this trade, there could be a sell opportunity from here. Place your stop loss here, a stop move here, and your target here. So this will be clean, almost 1:3 actually. Or you could decide to wait if you have the patience. If you have the patience to wait, you can wait and see if there will be a reversal from here to this place. If the market can come to this point, then you can take a sell, another sell to this place, and your stop loss should be above the resistance. So those are the only two possibilities that I'm seeing for this pair right now. So let's dive to the next pair. We have this, right? So this one is pretty tricky. We have a downtrend on the daily time frame because this was the uh, okay. We do have an uptrend on the weekly time frame because this is the last low on the weekly, and this is the last high on that weekly time frame. So within this range, we could get or look for opportunities in the market. The way, oh my God, okay, they're about to turn on they just brought the lights. Ta-da! That's quite embarrassing. Nigeria, my country. That's the country I live in. Just imagine. So I have to wait for my internet connection to reconnect. Yeah. Oh my God. All right. So um, if we go by support on the weekly time frame, so this is quite tricky. This is quite tricky. But the way the shape it's formed doesn't look like it wants to keep going up. But we could get a quick opportunity. We could get a quick opportunity in the market. We have a weekly time frame. It's an uptrend, so it's a weekly time frame uptrend. Let's go head over to the daily time frame. The daily time frame is a downtrend because this is the last low. This is the last low on the daily time frame. Remember, this was the weekly high, so I'm just gonna adjust it so that it's correlates with the daily high. Uh, We had this break here, and this was the beginning of downtrend on the daily time frame. Okay, so within this day time frame, we do have some minor things going on there. So this commencement of the downtrend because we now have lower highs and value, right? Then we go to this point here. So this was last daily low, not daily low. This is the last daily major high. And within this place, we do have a range, right? We do have a range. And so that brings us to uh so we're gonna say um, we're gonna say that daily time frame caution is a downtrend because of what I just explained. So now I'm gonna go to the hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame is also a downtrend. So according to our strategy, we have 4 hour downtrend. So we have two downtrend and one uptrend. So we're gonna be looking at trading downtrend. Our directional bias is it gonna be a downtrend. So we're looking for sales. So let's understand what's happening on the 4 hour time frame. On a 4 hour time frame, we see price making higher, lower highs and lower low. This was the last low. This was the last low, and this is the current high. So in this range, we can get an opportunity in the market, right? But then again, we also have this major weekly supports that we have to take consideration of. But I'm seeing a trend line, which is this, and I'm seeing an equal high. This was the previous low, a previous high rather. So we can do this, and we can see on the 4 hour RSI we have bearish divergence because the market kept making higher highs while the RSI is making higher lows. Okay, then we see the price went above this high, suits liquidity, right? And came back with a very strong momentum. So I was already looking for a sale around on Friday because of that move there, but I couldn't take it from here because I needed I needed to like put this trend line because the market could come here and do like this and continue going up. Right? There's the possibility of that. So I needed it to clear this trend line completely before I took the trade. So if I'd done this video on Friday, I could have said places. I actually did um I actually posted on my trading view. I posted the signal and I posted the signal in my Telegram group as well. It's a free Telegram group, so you can join. Um, yeah. So I posted this. So here be a perfect place to take profits, and it will be a perfect place to stop loss because we already cleared this resistance and this trend line resistance. So now that we have price here, let's see what the daily time frame is saying. The daily time frame is also currently showing me the previous 2 days was a bearish engulfing, and then we have this pin inverted armor. So it could look like this, let's say, and you could place this trade at the start of the week. This is a clean. This is gonna be clean. Um, 1:2. Actually, this is a clean trade. So I would say here is the safest place to place your take profit because this is a major weekly support. Price could bounce from here, and if price could bounce from here, price could bounce from here, so which should be percentage or return from ROI price that this place is the safest place to place your take profit. So I'm gonna be posting this again in my Telegram channel. Is you can join for educational purposes. Um, so it's just almost similar signal on the GPBs, right? You can see this one case was the one I actually analyzed. This one here, I really like this one because it was more clear, almost similar, but then this one too, we have to be very careful. We do have a very low probability place that the market could bounce from here too. So here as well, um, take profit should be high actually, please. Um, so we could get this right. Here's a safe place to put a profit because that's a strong support of the company. See, let's go there. So, um, let's see. So yeah, this is something similar. I would advise you place your stop loss here. This is the safest place to place your stop loss. But if you want to be conservative, if you want to be aggressive, place your stop loss here as well. So that could be 1:3. Right? This one for me is a cleaner setup than the other one. So I advise you take this one instead because we also have a bearish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. So we haven't anything. I lost this one before that is gonna go down. It's something similar. It's something similar actually, but I see this one coming down. I've analyzed it 2 weeks ago. It's still consolidating. If you want a clean, short trade, it's gonna be 1:2, but it's gonna be clean, short trade, just a long trade where you can risk $100,000 to make $200,000 pretty easy. This one is that trade. Yeah, it's very certain that's gonna drop from here. I'm telling you guys, it's very certain it's gonna drop from here. This place here is the safest place to place your stop loss. If you wanna be aggressive, you can place it here, but this here I would advise to place your stop loss. This will give you a clean 1:5. Not bad. You could risk a $50 and make um another 50 and another 25. That's $75. So not bad at all. These are all my analysis for the week, guys. You can see, you can tell I'm kind of feeling sleepy and I'm kind of tired. So I've had a stressful and a hectic week, but I just wanted to make this video. My energy was dropping as I was making it. So, see you again, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. It's gonna help my channel grow. Comment, like, share the video. If you have questions, ask away. See you in my next video. Capiche?